It's Tuesday again. Today we're going to talk about NVC update, cases, document, and emails they are working on this week. We're going to go over October 2022 visa bulletin board for some of you guys who are not immediate relative and who are expecting a welcome letter or interview appointment letter. And also, I'm going to talk about DV lottery visa for this year. The registration is going to start soon. We're going to talk about that quick. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back. USA Mon. Hello, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Mon. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here, my goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also US citizens regarding the I-130 process. Sometimes we talk about different topics that will help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. But today's video, just like every week, especially every Tuesday, we go over NVC update, cases, document, and inquiries they are working on. Okay, so I know some of you guys on petition for a relative, you are waiting for NVC to send you a welcome letter, especially if your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. Some of you guys already received your welcome letter, you pay fees, submit document, and now you're waiting for NVC to contact you regarding your interview appointment letter. Okay, so some of you guys who are new in the process, who don't know exactly how it works, well, once the case is approved by USCIS, it will move to NVC National Visa Center. Again, in case your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. If your relative lives here in United States of America, you petition for that relative, the case will stay at USCIS. It doesn't move to NVC National Visa Center. Okay, so now this week NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on September 8th on 2022, meaning that some of you guys will receive your welcome letter and start the immigrant visa process, especially if you are immediate relative. Some of you guys who are not immediate relative, you're gonna check your visa bulletin board, which we're gonna go over in a second to see if your priority date is current. Once it's current, well, you're gonna be able to start your immigrant visa process. Sometimes you can contact NVC before that. You will receive your case number, invoice ID, but you won't be able to start the immigrant visa process until the priority date becomes current. Okay, so in case you start the immigrant visa process, you're going to pay fees. You're going to pay the immigrant visa fee, you're going to pay the affidavit support fees, and then after that you submit some document for the beneficiary and also a document for you, the petitioner. After that, NVC will review everything. So this week NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on August 4, 2022, meaning that some of you guys will get a notification that you are documentary qualified, the case is documentary qualified, or you missing some document and you have to resubmit those documents. So if your case is documentary qualified, you're just gonna wait for your interview appointment letter after NVC is able to schedule your interview for you. Okay, and then the third update is regarding inquiries. Some of you guys send inquiries to NVC asking different questions. Well, they are responding to the one they received on August 13, 2022. That's what they put on their website this week. So check your inbox and also the spam folder to see if you receive a letter, email from NVC National Visa Center. So now, before we go over visa bulletin board of this month, some of you guys who want to register for lottery visa this year. So lottery visa, basically, for some of you guys who don't know, it's just a program the US government put in place to bring people from other countries to United States of America so they can become a permanent resident. Okay, so the registration for the DV lottery visa will start August 5th, which is tomorrow. It will start tomorrow noon and then will end on November 8th at noon. So guys, if you're ready, let's go in front of my computer so I can show you the date for filing and final action date for this month on visa bulletin board. So today we're going to talk about family sponsor preferences. We have F1 category, which is unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens. As you can see here, we have F2A category, which is spouses and children of permanent resident. Okay, we have F2B. F2B is unmarried sons and daughters of US not US citizen but permanent resident, as you can see here. And we got F3 category, which is married sons and daughters of US citizens, and F4 category, which is brothers and sisters of US citizens. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So now we're going to go over date for filing charts to see what's going on this month. Okay guys, this is the date for filing chart for October 2022 Visa Bulletin Board. So some of you guys who are from Philippines, and if you are from Philippines and you are in F1 category, well, this is going to be the cutoff date. You're going to check your prior date against that. If you're from Mexico, this is going to be the date. If you're from India, this is the cutoff date. From China mainland born, this is cutoff date. If you're not from none of those countries, this is the cutoff date. As long as your prior date is before these days, then it will become current. It means that it's current basically, so you're going to expect your welcome letter. If you are in F2A category, so the first one here is F1. If you are F2A category, it's current, meaning that you're going to expect a welcome letter very soon. You don't have to check your prior date against any cutoff date. Okay, F2B category, some of you guys who are in F2B category, if you are from Philippines, this is the cutoff date you're going to check. This is, if you're from Mexico, this is it. If you're from India, this is it. If you're from China mainland born, this is it right here. If you're from other countries except those 4 countries, this is the cutoff date. F3 category, same thing here. From Philippines, this is your date right here. If you're from Mexico, this is your cutoff date. If you're from India, this is your cutoff date. From China mainland born, this is your cutoff date. If you're from other countries except those 4 countries, you are not from none of those countries, these 4 countries, then you're going to check on this right here. Okay, and the F4 category for Philippines going to be this right here, which is on April 22nd 2004. If you're from Mexico, it's your cutoff date. If you're from India, this is it right here. If you're from China mainland born, this is it. And then if you're from another countries, this is it right here. So basically you will check your prior date against this date. If your prior date comes before this date, yeah, it's current. Just gonna wait to get your welcome letter from NVC. If you keep waiting, you don't get a welcome letter, you can notify NVC. Okay, send them in an inquiry, via the public inquiry form. Tell them that okay, your prior date is current, but you are not getting your welcome letter. Okay, so now let's talk about final action dates. Okay, for some of you guys who are waiting for interview appointment letter. Okay, so for final action date, if you're from Philippines, this is your cutoff date, March 1st 2012. If you're from Mexico, this is your cutoff date right here. If you're from India, this is it right here. If you're from China mainland born, this is it. And if you are not from none of those countries, this is right here. And this column, this right here, this row is for people who are in F1 category. For F2 category, it's current. Again, you don't have to check the prior date against anything. You just have to keep waiting until you get your interview appointment letter. Okay, and then people who are in F2B category, if you're from Philippines, this is your cutoff date. From Mexico, this is it right here. India, this one, this date. China mainland born, this is the date. And people from other countries, this is their date. F3 category, if you're from Philippines, this is the cutoff date, June 8 2002. If you're from Mexico, this is the date. If you're from India, this is it. If you're from China mainland born, this is it right here. And then another countries except those 4 countries, this is it. And finally, F4 category for some people from visa applicant who are from Philippines, and this is the cutoff date. If you're from Mexico, this is it, June 1st 2000. If you're from India, this is it. If you're from China mainland born, this is it. And then the rest of the country except those 4 countries on March 22nd 2007. So this is the final action date chart. If you have any question, let me know in the description below.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody you think will benefit from the video, go and share with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, click on the bell. Cling, cling. gling, gling. If you want to subscribe to this channel, well, you're just gonna click on the subscribe button down below this video. Some of you guys don't want to support this channel, you don't know how to support the channel. What, we have a super thanks button below every video. Just click on it and you can support the channel. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in another video.
USA Monde.